It is a sunny day. Anna plays in the garden. Look, a red bike. Anna sees a bike. Anna wants to ride the bike. She wants to ride fast. Mom comes to the garden.
Hi, Mom. Can I ride the bike?
Yes, you can.
Anna is so happy. Mom helps Anna. Anna puts on her helmet. Pink helmet, safety first. Anna sits on the bike. She pushes the pedals. Wobble, wobble. It is hard.
Are you okay?
Anna falls down. She falls on the soft grass. Anna is brave.
I can do it. I will try again.
Anna tries and tries. Wobble, wobble. The bike goes left, the bike goes right. It is very hard. Oh no! Anna falls again. She sits on the grass. Anna feels sad.
I cannot do it.
It is too hard. Anna wants to stop. Look! Jack comes to the garden. Jack is Anna's big brother.
Don't stop. Keep going. Look ahead, not down. You can do it, Anna.
Anna tries one more time. She sits on the bike. She looks ahead.
I can do it.
Anna pushes the pedals. Push, push. The bike moves. She looks ahead. Keep going, keep going. Look at Anna. She can ride. She can ride the bike. Anna is riding. Yay!
I did it.
Anna stops the bike. She runs to Mom and Jack. Big hug. Look at Anna now. She can ride and ride. She rides fast. She rides slow. Anna loves her bike.
Thank you, Jack. You helped me.
You did it, Anna. You are brave.
If you fall, try again. Do not give up. Keep going.
Anna learned today, if you fall, try again. Anna can ride her bike now. Today was a good day. What will Anna do tomorrow?